Hey everybody, I'm Steve Cooper with Balco. Welcome to Coop's Corner. Today I want to show you how easy it is to install MetaBlock fire barrier in a wood frame L500 series for multifamily construction. It's a pretty typical application. We have these tested to UL listed standards. So this particular design is an FF-D-0169. So I'm going to take this MetaBlock fire barrier out so you can get a good look at it. So it's got foam with alternating pieces of intumescent wrapped in an aluminum scrim. For installation, it's very compressible. So it's easily handled. These come in 10-foot long sticks. Place this in the joint opening. Press it down below the floor level to the 2x10 studs. So once you're there, you can be at the bottom of the studs, or the top of the studs, or the middle, or whatever else. Doesn't really matter much. And then you take Balco supplied spray glue, and you spray it inside there. So this is a can of glue there, but I'm not going to spray it in my mold because I don't want to make it all sticky, because I might want to do another video someday. So we'll pretend that I sprayed it in there. Place our anchors for the fancy joint cover system. Could be a variety of systems. Could be metal. Could be a stainless steel foil that can be very thin, like 0.02 of an inch thick, used in chase conditions and things like that. Very simple installation. So I want to show you how a splice works for the MetaBlock fire barrier. So each one of these will come in a 10-foot long length to the job site. You can just peel the foil back, and you can expose the factory fabricated transitions at each end. So there's a opposite connection so that they fit together, kind of a tongue and groove type thing, right? So you can see how the components go together. All you have to do is fit the two segments together, make a nice clean joint. Fold your foil back in place all the way around. But they work really well together, and that's all you have to do to make a splice. Pretty simple. Thank you for visiting Coop's Corner. Go to balcousa.com for more information.